If you love Turkish romantic comedies and dramas, here are some must-watch series filled with love, laughter, and unexpected twists. These captivating shows will steal your heart and keep you coming back for more. Let's dive in. At number 7, we have Baht Oyunu, and its English name is Twist of Fate. The story of Twist of Fate revolves around Ada, a young woman who believes in the superstition that she must marry her first love to be happy. This belief comes from her grandmother, great-grandmother, and mother, all of whom were unhappy because they didn't marry their first love. Ada falls in love with an Albanian student named Ruzgar and marries him on paper so he can stay in Turkey. She even drops out of university to work and support him financially. However, after Ruzgar becomes a Turkish citizen, he abandons her. Later, Ada meets Bora, a successful editor-in-chief who treats her rudely as part of his research for a new article. Ada experiences a series of misfortunes and is hospitalized after witnessing Ruzgar kissing another woman. She then starts working as Bora's assistant and tries to win Ruzgar back. What happens next? Watch Twist of Fate to find out. At number 6, we have Ask Mand Intikam, and its English name is Love Logic Revenge. Love Logic Revenge follows the story of Isra, who marries Ozan for financial stability. However, their marriage faces difficulties when Ozan quits his job to pursue his dreams. Struggling with financial hardships, Isra divorces him after suffering a miscarriage. Years later, she discovers that Ozan has become a successful CEO while she continues to struggle. Seeking acknowledgement for her sacrifices, Isra plans revenge by making Ozan fall in love with her again. She joins his company, Millennium Soft, as an intern. As Isra and Ozan reconnect, complications arise when Ozan's friend Esna enters the picture. Will Isra's revenge plan succeed? Will love rekindle between Isra and Ozan? Watch Love Logic Revenge to find out. At number 5, we have Ask Mand Intikam, and its English name is Love Logic Revenge. Seeking acknowledgement for her sacrifices, Isra plans revenge by making Ozan fall in love with her again. She joins his company, Millennium Soft, as an intern. As Isra and Ozan reconnect, complications arise when Ozan's friend Esna enters the picture. Will Isra's revenge plan succeed? Will love rekindle between Isra and Ozan? Watch Love Logic Revenge to find out. At number 4, we have Mükemmel Kerak, and its English name is Perfect Groom. This short Turkish series, with only 8 episodes, revolves around Milek, a Turkish girl from Germany who comes to Istanbul to chase her journalism dreams. She struggles to make ends meet but lies to her family, claiming she is a successful journalist and dating a surgeon named Mehmet. Things take a wild turn when Milek gets caught in a celebrity gossip scandal involving Mehmet's family secrets. As she attempts to prove herself, unexpected events impact her relationship with Mehmet. The story revolves around mistaken identity, Milek's dream of becoming a journalist, and her unexpected love with Mehmet. Want to see how it unfolds? Watch Perfect Groom to find out. At number 3, we have Asıl Aşk Aranıyor, and its English name is Emergency Love. Emergency Love follows Sinan, a peaceful doctor whose life takes a turn when he meets Nisan, a clumsy yet lively woman. Their worlds collide as Sinan's sister Ayla joins them as a housemate, adding to the chaos. Nisan struggles to adjust to city life, and Sinan's daily routine gets disrupted. The series captures the humorous clashes between them, both at the hospital and at home. As Nisan's past looms over her, the trio faces challenges and unexpected bonds. Can Nissan embrace her new life? Will Sinan and Nissan find common ground? Watch Emergency Love to find out. At number 2, we have Yani Hayat, and its English name is New Life. Yani Hayat tells the story of a retired Special Forces soldier, Adam, who struggles to find work in Istanbul. Eventually, he is offered a job as a bodyguard for Yasemin, the second wife of a wealthy businessman, Timur. Unbeknownst to Timur, Yasemin orchestrates threats against herself as part of a plan to escape her abusive marriage. As Adam investigates these threats, he unknowingly becomes an obstacle to Yasemin's plan. She tries to manipulate him using her charm. The story unfolds as Adam finds himself caught between protecting Yasemin and uncovering the truth behind the sinister plot. Watch New Life to see how it all unravels. At number 1, we have Vadna Sen Koi, and its English name is You Name It. You Name It revolves around Omar, a wealthy businessman, and Jehra, a working-class girl. They come from completely different worlds. Omar offers Jehra a contract marriage for 6 months in exchange for money. They act as a happily married couple for Omar's family, while Jehra's family remains unaware. At first, Omar treats Jehra cruelly, like a servant. However, over time, his hatred transforms into a beautiful love story. Want to know if their love will survive? Watch You Name It to find out. If you enjoyed these romantic comedies and dramas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting recommendations. Which one are you excited to watch? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.